Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie. Today I got Citroen Dispatch 2019 model. This vehicle has a separate cam chain for the gearbox side and other side cam belt. Basically, what's the problem? This car been to the one garage. This is trader job for me. Basically, customer went to the garage and said heaters not working inside and sometime gauge for the heating playing up and down. So garage diagnostic the problem and they found bottom coolant hose. This one you can see this bottom hose. Yeah, basically it's cold and the top hose warm, but vehicle didn't get warm air inside the cabin. So they thought something not right with the thermostat. This is the original thermostat. It's come with the motor. When it get hot, motor will open. When it get cold, motor operating system. And there is a temperature sensor also. Well, it's missing here. You can see it's broken something. However, they remove. This is the original one. After that, they change. This is the another brand new thermostat. They change this unit. Once they change this unit, after around 50 miles vehicle drove, then they said they got this faulty code. I'll check. They text me the faulty code P16E0 motorized coolant outlet housing actuator jam in the engine cooling radiator open position. That's why they got the faulty code. Then after that they thought something not right with this unit. They again changed another unit there. It's already in there. There is another unit. Then after that vehicle get overheat. You can see here. You can see the coolant here, pink color. Yeah, vehicle overheated and all coolant came out from the reservoir. So after that they bit stuck and they don't know what to do next step. After that they called me, Charlie, look, we done this problem and now this is the thing happened, whatever I said to you. Then after that vehicle came today for my diagnostic. I start the diagnostic and I'll check this motor is a 2-pin motor. You can see here 2-pin motor. Basically this unit good for me. This is the original unit, and also whatever in the box I'll check that one also, it's good for me. And inside one also I'll check the line, all good for me inside thermostat also. So at the moment I don't have a doubt, but I'll plug in my computer. Then after that I got the faulty code again, not the previous one, previous P16E0. However, now I got the faulty code P0115 engine coolant temperature drift down or upwards. Right, basically this one come into the coolant circulation, something not right. That's why according to the faulty code. But however, I'll check all wiring. I'm happy for the wiring, but to be honest, if it me, I'm not changing thermostat because of this problem. I feeling it's not a thermostat, it might be something else trigger up for the thermostat faulty code. Right. Next step, I'll show you small thing. Everyone know this one because if it water circulating, water going in from this bottom line and top line water, send it to the bottle. However, I will remove this connector and leave it outside, and I'll start the car. Right, now car started. Have a look. Where's the coolant? No coolant. Right, okay. I don't want to keep it running longer because this vehicle has a overheating problem. So if I didn't get any coolant for here, my first suspect, water pump. Basically could be water pump fail. If the water pump fail like this one, I have another water pump here. If it failed the bearing, or if it leak in something, another scenario, because visually I can't see any leaking from the, this is not the exactly the water pump, I take it as an example. If it bearing gone, you can hear the noise, but I can't hear any unusual noise that from water pump. I am suspect could be this feathers damage, because I know this vehicle has a plastic water pump, could be that feathers damage. If it not, could be blockage somewhere in the cooling system or coolant pipe. But however, I'm 90% sure it's not something right for the water pump. So my next step, I need to open the timing cover and have a look what happened to the water pump physically. Basically, I need to take out the water pump and have a look physically what happened to the that feathers. Right. Next step, I'll jack it up the car, remove the timing cover, and remove the all mount, everything, remove this side, and I'll come back to you. But however, before I go there, I need to get the approval from the other garage, because I need to charge my diagnostic, plus I need to charge more for this job, because it's like a halfway timing job. Basically, when you're going to remove the water pump, you need to do the timing setup. And once we remove the timing, we need to replace the new timing belt and water pump. However, yes or no, because of that I need to get the approval. Once I get the approval, I'll remove the timing and I'll come back to you. Right, I came end of the story, and we found out the problem as I mentioned before. Basically, however, in the first stage, person who done the diagnostic not right, then after that this garage done the another wrong diagnostic, and they change 3 times that unit. Basically one, and the second one again another one inside the car. So what happened, because they went through the all faulty codes, that's why the problem, they didn't check physically like me. If they done the physical check, they will find out the problem exactly what's going on. Then that's why they are turning point. So I already took it off the water pump, because this vehicle has a this side cam belt. Right, have a look. I took it off the water pump. I'll hold it water pump here. It's locked. Now have a look this side. That side not turning. This side spinning. That's why the problem. Basically, when the load, this one spinning with the belt, this one spinning, but inside the feathers not spinning. That's why the causing the whole problem, overheating and everything. Imagine, have a look. When I hold here, I can't spin, no, even I can't think to spin this one. Right, now we know the problem. I'm not going to show you how we're going to do the repair, because this car now we need to do the cam belt, and that side we need to do the timing chain, because at the moment vehicle open, the previous garage can't take to them and do the job. Because of that, they asked me to do the job. However, I'm going to do the full process. At the moment, I'm going to stop from there. Don't panic, don't hurry to take a judgment, take your own time. go step by step with the basic, easily we can find out, because many people thinking, oh, this vehicle came, find out the faulty code with the computer, Google, thermostat, they change the thermostat. See, no, go with the basic. Don't think always vehicle has a cancer. It could be small tummy ache. See, they make it tummy ache as a cancer. I can't do anything anyway. If you struggle to find out something, or if you have any problems, if you can't sort out, I'm here, and same time we can recover car to here, and we can diagnostic, and we can fix, and we can bring it back to you. If it not closer to me, we have a whole package now, and same time we just complete 35k subs. So when I reach to 50k subs, there is a nice car.
Car giveaway alert. We're nearly at 50,000 subscribers. That's right, we're giving away a car, completely free, to one of you. If you are in UK, all you need to do is subscribe us and stay tuned.
You can subscribe and follow my channels. Might be you are the winner for that car. Is a giveaway. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, comment section open for you. See you with the next video.